Hey everyone! Is your car refusing to shift properly, or are you stuck in limp mode? If you've scanned your vehicle and found the trouble code P0867, Transmission Fluid Pressure TFP low, you're in the right place. This issue can lead to slipping gears, delayed shifting, or even complete transmission failure. But don't worry. In this video I'll explain what P0867 means, its symptoms, causes, and, most importantly, exact sensor locations to help you fix it fast. Let's dive in. What is P0867? The P0867 trouble code means that the Transmission Control Module TCM has detected low transmission fluid pressure. Since automatic transmissions rely on hydraulic pressure to engage gears properly, low pressure can lead to hard shifting, slipping, or even no gear engagement at all. Common symptoms of P0867: harsh or delayed gear shifting, slipping gears or transmission stuck in one gear, check engine light or transmission warning light, burning smell from transmission fluid, overheating, whining or grinding noises while driving. Now, let's get to the sensor locations, the most important part. Transmission Fluid Pressure Sensor TFPS. Location: typically mounted on or near the transmission valve body, inside or outside the transmission case. Function: measures fluid pressure and sends signals to the TCM, Transmission Control Module TCM. Location: usually located on the transmission housing or inside the engine bay near the firewall. Function: manages transmission shifting and hydraulic pressure. Transmission pump and valve body. Location: inside the transmission case, near the transmission pan. Function: controls fluid flow and pressure for proper gear engagement. Transmission fluid filter and lines. Location: filter is inside the transmission pan. Fluid lines run between the transmission and cooler. Function: ensures clean fluid circulates properly. Common causes of P0867: low or contaminated transmission fluid. If the fluid level is too low or dirty, it can't build proper pressure. Faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor TFPS. A bad sensor can send incorrect readings to the TCM. Clogged or leaking transmission fluid lines. Restricted flow reduces pressure. Failing transmission pump or valve body. These components regulate pressure. If they fail, shifting issues occur. How to fix P0867. Step 1. Check the transmission fluid level and condition. If it's low, top it up with the correct type. If it's dirty, flush and replace it. Step 2. Inspect the transmission fluid pressure sensor TFPS. Test it with a multimeter, replace if faulty. Step 3. Examine the transmission lines and filter. Ensure there are no blockages, leaks, or restrictions. Step 4. Check the transmission pump and valve body. Step 5. Scan for additional transmission codes. Other codes might indicate further transmission issues. Step 6. Inspect the wiring and TCM connections. The P0867 trouble code means your transmission isn't building enough hydraulic pressure, which can lead to shifting problems or complete failure. By checking fluid levels, pressure sensors, and transmission components, you can diagnose and fix the issue before it gets worse. Like, share and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.